Looping through loops in Python? I'm trying to solve this problem on the easy section of Codebyte, and the prompt is: have the function arrayAddition take the array of numbers stored in R and return the string true if any combination of numbers in the array can be added up to equal the largest number in the array, otherwise return the string false. For example, if R contains 4, 6, 23, 10, 1, 3, the output should return true because 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 3 equals 23. The array will not be empty, will not contain all the same elements, and may contain negative numbers. Here's my solution. Print arrayAddition, 29,596,979,899,100. I'm not even sure if this is correct, but it seems to cover all the numbers I plug in. I'm wondering if there is a better way to solve this through algorithm which I know nothing of. I'm thinking A for within A for within A4, etc. loop would do the trick, but I don't know how to do that. What I have in mind is accomplishing this with A plus B, A plus C, A plus D, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C plus D plus E. E.g. I've searched all over and found the suggestion of a tool, but I'm wondering if there is a way to write this code up more raw. Thanks.
A recursive solution. The getSum function returns false when the required sum is non-zero and there are no items in the array. Then it checks for 3 cases. If the required sum, n, is 0, then the goal is achieved. If we can get the sum with the remaining items after the first item is removed, then the goal is achieved. If we can get the required sum minus the first element of the list on the rest of the list, the goal is achieved.
Your solution doesn't work. The simple solution is to use itertools to iterate over all subsets of the input that don't contain the largest number. If you want to avoid itertools, you will need to generate subsets directly. That can be accomplished by counting in binary and using the set bits to determine which elements to pick.
Update: I forgot that you want to check all possible combinations. Use this instead. One-liner solution. Hope this helps.
Generate all the sums of the power set and test them against the max. You could improve this by doing some pre-processing. Find the max first and remove it from L.
One more way to do it. Code. Output. Hope this helps. Smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.